Hi, I'm Max Mishakov. Today we'll be talking about TWANG. I've talked about this before, but today we will be discussing this in detail. So, TWANG is a high-frequent sound, harsh sound, and ringing sound. It's a high-frequent sound with loud high frequencies, upper 2000 Hz. It's a loud sound that requires less effort, like a balloon. For example, if we do this, there's no high frequency sound, there's no loudness. And if we do this, we have this high frequency sound. The same thing happens in our throat. We have to narrow our larynx, same as this balloon. We have to narrow our larynx to get this harsh, loud sound. Sometimes it may be 6 times louder. It's not just nasal sound. Many people think that TWANG is just nasal sound. No, because TWANG is formed before your soft palate. The soft palate is the place where you choose the amount of nasality. So TWANG is formed before your soft palate, before the place where we choose the amount of nasality. So TWANG may be nasal and non-nasal. If the sound is nasal, we can't say that it is TWANG. And if the sound is non-nasal, we also can't say that it is TWANG, because TWANG is formed before, lower. That TWANG is formed lower than the soft palate. This sphincter twanger is above our vocal cords, and it narrows like this. You may see the picture. It narrows and produces this sound, as I showed you before. This. Okay. It allows us to sing with less effort and more loudness. And now, how to do this? To find our TWANG, we need to imitate a crying baby, or a puppy, or a rooster, a duck. But my favorite ones are crying baby and a puppy, like or a puppy. The puppy is quieter, and I think it's more like it's a healthier way to find the TWANG. When you feel those high frequencies, it means that you got your TWANG. But anyway, when we imitate animals or a crying baby, we have accessing tension in our muscles. We have high larynx, some tension, and also some nasality. So to make our TWANG pure, it's better to use it in the NG sound. So those animals may help you find the feeling, and then we may transfer the feeling into the NG sound, like and when you're certain that the sound is ringing, but you do it in a relaxed way at the same time, then you may open your mouth, like you may open your mouth. Okay, it's relaxed. And that's mixed voice. You may ask me, is TWANG and mixed voice the same? Almost yes, because we need our TWANG to learn how to sing in the mixed voice. And after you found your TWANG, then you may get rid of excessive nasality, excessive tension, and so on. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.